This is updated 2026 South Korea visa process. Watch the video till the end to know few tips before you apply for your South Korea visa. I have visited South Korea twice and I have applied visa myself, and there are a few things you should know before you start the process. So let's get right to it. This is the official website. Select e-visa, then e-form visa. Keep the documents ready for the application form and click fill out e-form. It will take you directly to this page. In diplomatic office, search India. It will show you three options: consulate in Chennai, embassy which is in New Delhi, and another consulate which is in Mumbai. As I'm applying from Mumbai, I am selecting Mumbai. For the purpose of entry, I am selecting tourism in transit, and for status of stay, I am selecting C3. And for this option, I'm gonna say no. Fill out this information as per your passport along with your recent photograph. Make sure all the information you mention are correct and as per your passport. And if you make a mistake, you have to fill out the whole application form again. Match the passport number, expiry date, country of issue, place of issue, and date of issue. Double verify all of these information because these are really critical ones. Now add the address as per your passport along with your phone number and email ID. Add the emergency contact information. Over here, I am adding my brother's name, which he has no idea by the way. Click next and it will take you to the second page of the form. Fill out the rest of the details as per your background. Coming to the details of visit, I'm going to select multiple over here. You can apply for a multiple entry visa only if you have visited Korea twice before. Add the address of the first hotel that you're going to stay when you enter South Korea along with its phone number. This is the tedious part. You have to list out all the countries that you have visited along with the entry and exit dates in the last 5 years. If you're traveling Korea with any family members, select yes. If no, then no. After submitting, you'll get the payment link and the application number in the email ID you mentioned before. Okay, now that your visa form is filled, follow these steps. Arrange all the documents in this particular order if you're applying visa from Mumbai. Initially, it wasn't required to submit your Aadhaar, but nowadays they ask for the copy, so keep it ready. They don't accept card or UPI transactions at the consulate or the embassy, so carry the exact change. This is the cost list that I'm showing you on screen right now for the visa application. If you're traveling for longer duration, make sure your balance is 2.5 lakhs. And if you're traveling for shorter, 2.5 is more than enough. That being said, this balance is excluding all your bookings. Processing usually takes around 10 to 15 days depending on the traveling season, so apply accordingly. There's a lot of confusion between the confirmed tickets and the dummy tickets. I did not apply with the dummy tickets because the guideline mentions they do not accept the dummy tickets, so I went with the confirmed tickets for all the 3 times that I have applied my visa. A bit controversial, but you're representing India, so be presentable on how you project yourself, dress neatly, and be confident while you submit your visa application form. It matters a lot. And check your visa status on the following link. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And if this video helped you, drop this icon so I know you are planning a trip to Korea. Enjoy!